disclaimer. Okay, so I was thinking about what situation I can give relations A, and I was looking at this article at likely.com.my, and it was talking about lying, and they were saying how lying sometimes is good for your relationship.
It does help.
I've seen a couple of my friends, they blatantly tell lies in front of me to their partners and whatnot,
Yeah.
but they always give that side look like, hey, just close one eye.
Yeah, just hush.
Yeah, like, it's not good or bad.
It's good because you don't want to get into trouble. Like if, for example, your partner asks you, oh my god, that girl's so pretty, right? You say like,
Oh, why can't you just be honest with yourself? Then you're denying yourself.
you want to die? Because the next night she'll be like, oh, so you find her pretty, then go with
So
her.
you would never say, like, compliment someone else if they're pretty? If they're
I would compliment their things that they wear.